Well, this is for the boys that think they're tough. So, you think you can out-wrestle me just because you're a boy? You think, ew, she's just a little girl. I'm not afraid of her. Well, listen up, mister. Don't let these pretty eyes fool you. And don't let these skinny arms trick you. Behind these eyes is a brain that's fast as a ninja. And underneath this skin are muscles of steel. So, let me show you how it's going to go down. You, me, part, wrestling match, 5:35. Be there. And bring your A game. You want to make your mama cry?